we should be live. Um, we're gonna be building the progress app out. This is already a Swift based Apple like iOS application available in the App Store, but uh, it's not available for the Android peeps. And yeah, I'm kind of waiting for Lynx to get in-app purchases kind of implemented. So once that's done, we will be able to migrate to that. But until then, we will move to this. And I think it's already a fun process. Let me show you what we've got going on so far. So, and yeah, we're using Expo. Very easy to kind of work with iOS and Android. And yeah, I actually have both Android and iOS kind of built out. So this is the Swift project right here, and Expo is running. Building it out. So yeah, the Progress app is basically an app to help you work on daily projects. It doesn't have to be something drastic as snowboarding or whatever, but yeah, this is what we currently have in React Native. Yeah, and right now it's just a counter, so it'll just keep going until whatever. But basically, what we're doing is if you complete snowboarding today, then you're gonna hit progress, and then it will count as a streak. Once you skip a day, let's say on Thursday you don't go snowboarding, that day you will lose your progress. Progress will reset to 0, kind of like this, and you will have to build up your progress again. So we will be, and this is already built out here, but yeah, we're building it out, and this is already a little bit built out. So we have 4 tabs, 4 pages kind of going. This is how you edit activities. I want to build like a tutorial and a book recommendation kind of discussion page for people. And this is like, typical maintenance stuff, log out, delete account, all of this stuff. So there's a lot to build. And while we're at it, just put this right here. So yeah, this is not only just a thing of like so okay, this is not just a send it to the backend kind of thing. You need to manipulate the data within the front end and then send it to the backend and then be able to use it again. So we have some slice and some state management in Redux. We're going to be using Redux just because it should be easy. I mean, I've watched like a couple of tutorials, and I will be referring to the tutorial when we get to this part again. There's a favorite tutorial that I have. We'll go through that. Yeah, and then there's some UI stuff, UI challenges that we need to get over. So building out this page. It'll take like some style sheeting. So this is the style sheet. It'll take a lot of like ChatGPT. And also, yeah, final piece of the puzzle would be to how will your users be able to sign in, or like say this is their account, right? So these are pages we haven't built out yet, so we will be doing that. And yeah, this is basically it. we're using Firebase in the database, so for authentication. So everything is kind of done through there. Like, yeah, it's a very easy way to just get started with any app building for yourself. I would recommend doing Firebase config. There are like a ton of YouTube videos for this, so yeah. All right. Now that we have started, and yeah, well, this is ChatGPT. We'll just use it to ask whatever we need. So, where do we first start? I want to start. Where do we want to start? We have activities. Okay, let's do sign-in page. Because the sign-in page is where you get started. App.tsx, tab.screen name, settings, sign in. We're going to see we need to fill those components out. Create. Should we just call it a create account? Just to make it simpler. Okay. Rename. Create account. Okay, if everything is correct, export default, this should quick fix, yes, right, and here, I'm just gonna copy this for now just to make the error go away. We will need to change this. What error are we seeing now? The hell is wrong with this? Name is not. Okay, maybe we need this too. Settings. So this is basically just sign in, create account. Oh no, but wait, okay, so again, we're already making some mistakes here. This is for like the tab, like the bottom tab. So we don't need like create account here. We just need, so okay, again, this is already confusing a little bit just because so this is when a user is already authenticated. So, okay. Alright, then should we just do authentication then? Anyways, that is the biggest piece of the puzzle, right? I think... yeah, I think let's work on that then. So this is just authentication state. How do we start? So we have Firebase kind of baked in, app.tsx, index.ts. Alright, where is that feature where you can just look shit up? Okay, that's fine. Let's first figure out what we want to work on, because okay, so these are just our 4 tabs. We need to kind of sign in. So again, this stuff we need to, these are 3 activities. All right, let's start with this. So .tsx. So this is my .tsx for bottom tabs. Before auth, sign in or create accounts need to be added. How would we implement this? I already have okay, wait, let's say I'm going to implement the Redux, sign in later, which will hold authenticated user. I just want to see these pages before. All right, let's see what this guy has to say. Is authenticated variable for now. Stack navigator. So okay, this is the problem. I'm not that familiar with React Native. I've worked with Swift, and I've worked with, like, you know, a little bit of like all of this stuff, but it's just, yeah, these are all concepts we have to learn on the fly. So this is, yeah, okay. I mean, I get this part, yeah. We definitely need to gonna copy this. Let's see what pops up. Create stack navigator. What is this? Oh, this is like the in stack. Let me, okay, so navigation stack. Again, this is Swift. Let me show you a little bit of settings view, delete account, profile view. Let's see if this thing shows up. Yeah, look at this. Just because, I mean, it's a, I don't think I've actually shown how it looks, how this app looks in like prod mode, but yeah. So yeah, and we also want to add more stuff that we haven't done in this app version. So tutorial view is not on prod. We need to implement that. We're just gonna copy the code from here. This is like tutorial view. The book recommendations is something we would have to, that would be like later on. But if you can do it today, that would be amazing. It's taking some time. Let me just check if the audio is here.
Oh no, but wait, okay. So again, we're already making some.
Failed to build the schema. Okay, it's been a little bit, but okay, great. So, man, okay, we wasted some time there, but it's fine. All right. Okay, using Firebase. This is gonna come soon. So these are just documents for Firebase, but okay. And I'm using my iPhone for streaming, so I can't really show you my phone. Okay, auth flow with tabs. So this is okay. This is like okay. I understand this part. This is like okay. From this page you go to this page. All of that stuff. So the bottom line is it's kind of like okay. So you first start with this page and then you go to so once you sign in or you create account, you then jump to this page, and then let's say you have like a button which goes to this page, you would add that to the stack too. So if I'm not wrong, is authenticated is false, makes sense. Okay, function auth stack. What does this do? Auth stack. Well, okay, firstly, what are they doing with this? Provider. Okay, provider is needed for Redux. Navigation. What the hell is main tabs? Okay, tell me more about main tabs versus auth stack. Wait, is main tab somewhere here? Function main tabs. Oh, okay, so basically everything here is just put into a function. So let's say yeah, even the tab navigator, the navigation container would be inside. So everything here would be in a function. Const main tabs. Return. That looks good. Okay. Screen options. Okay, so basically it's just that. They've done functions. It's all the same. And then auth stack. And this is a const versus function. I haven't studied the whole this thing, but this is like the new way to do it. We can look that up along the way. Auth stack. And in case you are wondering, yes, I typed this slowly. Not a typer. I never got the formal typing education with the, So I need to grind it out someday. Because it is getting annoying to just be slow at typing. Sign in, create. Okay, they created like a whole. Okay. So they created like a type just because TypeScript doesn't like it. Quick fix, import, great. Stack.navigator, what's the problem, son? Auth stack, return stack.screen, sign in, component sign in, create account. Nanda. Okay, are there any other errors anywhere? Okay, wait. Let's first finish up. So they've done. Okay. This is very clearly just okay. They just did okay. So this is like a code bit within the HTML. The HTML, you would do just okay. If is authenticated, then you would do something like I don't know. Is this the okay? Lynx has this. React Native has this. Okay, perfect. Okay, they did main tabs. Else. Oh, auth stack. Status. Wait a minute. Okay, so why did they add this here rather than not in main tabs? Alright, let's see if our stuff is hitting the fan. Function not implemented. Create stack. Okay, this is still showing an error. Do I need to import something here? So wait, stack is imported, right? I don't see it, but the hell error is this? Alright, time to ask the god of coding, I guess. Property navigator, right? Navigator. What, does not void? I mean, yeah, okay, obvious, fine, I'll do it. Just copy everything. Okay. Okay, so another thing with app development, mobile development, sometimes this stuff happens where okay, you found an error and then you need to update this thing. Command Q, and then you restart your iOS thing. Also funny that Mac, like iOS code can only be developed on Macs. It's kind of crazy. Like how do you? It's a little bit limiting, but like this emulator can only run on Macs. That's crazy. JavaScript logs, metro, blah blah blah. Function not implemented. Create stack navigator. The hell is this? Create navigation types. Don't I have this already? Yeah, I do. Okay. How do we solve this? Functional components are either functional or properly defined class components. npm restart cache. That's not the problem, bro. Come on. I mean, okay, we have export default function sign in. View. Okay, this is all standard. Just this works. Okay. Yeah, this works too. Export default function create account. Export default function sign in. Yes, it's correct. Your navigator must be inside navigate container. Pretty sure that is, no? So main tabs, navigation container. Oh, got it. Wait. Well, okay, this is bullshit code, but okay. Wait a minute. Okay, got it. We have kind of dropped the ball here. Okay. So, stack navigator. So, wait, does stack navigator need to be inside the navigate container too? Why do we need... Okay, sure, we'll do it. We'll try it out. Let's see. Okay, that didn't solve our problems. Navigator does not exist on type void. Okay, this is not relevant. So something is void somewhere. This is the problem with using ChatGPT, man. It's just you run into problems and then it just keeps telling the wrong stuff over and over again. So let me read the code again. So we have auth stack. They've said is there anything wrong with auth stack? Your auth stack is mostly fine. And it doesn't realize that name create account component okay, it doesn't understand it, so this is annoying. Okay, is it something to do with const? I don't think it is, but let's copy it and let's ask. Okay. I doubt this is gonna solve it, but okay, it does not exist. Define stack properly. We've done that, no? So we've done npm I, or I. Okay, are the imports correct? Sometimes it might just be. I mean, it seems like it's doing the same package over and over. So let's do it in a linear method. Wait, first, let's do React Native. It might just be that, okay, so this might be the issue. Okay, just, so 989, I want to see a different number now. Really? Okay, okay. So every time it's just 989. Everything, alright, fine. You win, dude. Property navigator does not exist on type void. This is annoying. Yeah, I checked it. Const stack is correct, dude. I've done it. Stack is right here. Auth stack param list, sign in undefined, and create undefined. Is it supposed to be undefined? Alright, fine. We'll let's do it this way. Let's give it all of the context it needs. And let's and screen is also a same kind of problem, so we might as well tell it right now. And yeah, the problem with this is it's just TypeScript, dude. It comes from, okay, create navigator. Replace this with the correct import. Oh, is it not correct? The hell? Create stack navigator from, where the hell is create stack navigator? It's not even here. Okay, is that it? Create stack navigator. What's the problem? What's the difference? Import create stack navigator from at react navigation / stack. It's the same bloody line. What? And remove your manually defined function. Where is this function? Why am I blind to this function? Oh wow. Okay, this was manually added. Oh, it's gone. Okay. Vamos. Okay. Yeah, so we just wasted 15 minutes on a function which, yeah, this is, yeah, you need to understand the code better. Otherwise, it's just, yeah. Let's test. And nice thing, if we just make this true, we can easily enter password. Okay, yeah. So clearly this is very badly defined. I think we can do a quick, because clearly I also need to styles.container. Hello, then why isn't this properly updated? Ooh. Why isn't this text align center? So, hello? Justify and align center, yes. Justify. Background color gray. Padding 10. 50. Why the hell is this up here then? Enter password is correct. Where the hell did the mouse go? Okay, create account. Why the hell is... padding 10. Alright, let's start asking GPT for all our answers, because why the hell not, right? Might as well feed the context right here. Border width, justify item center, justify content center, align item center. This should make everything center, no? Oh, VH is 100. Is that it? Okay. That might be it, but why is enter password middle of the screen, but email and password label near the camera. Style flex 1, text input. So view style width to 80%. What's the difference right now? Firstly, is this create account or let's do this. Okay, text. Sign in. Okay, we definitely need to update the styles. Border width 1 style. Okay, so they changed the password style. So what is the password style? Just gonna okay, this might just be sign in. Yeah, this is sign in then. Okay, so we need to update. This is absolutely disgusting. Why does the Why does the box change width? Okay. Okay, so clearly the answer to this is, I've seen this problem before. The answer is to just have a fixed width and a height. This is why I don't like React Native as much as Lynx. Apparently looks very similar to, I tried it a little bit, and they've just made components look a lot like HTML and CSS. So so I guess it's easy to use. Where the hell is our simulator? Okay, the box is too big. Looks better. 50, 50. All right. Whatever. Okay, there's no button to sign in. Okay. Okay, before we do, okay, add button to confirm. First, we need to make sure that the page is, the first page that shows up is create account, not sign in. Does the order change things? Let's try it out. Let's test this out a little bit. So I'm gonna restart this. Let's see. Some error. Okay, we need to change the width again for this thing. Okay. First, let's go here, create account. We again need to add those elements here. Do we already have it copied? Nope, never mind. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Okay. Wow. All right. Okay. Again, here we need a button to kind of submit. Since I'm not the React master here, React Native master here, I'm actually okay with React, but let's just ask it to create the button too. Because again, there will be some hidden, is it button or is it something else? Create the submit button and handle submit function. I mean, it's a handle submit function. Okay, I can do the handle submit part, but const handle submit. All right. All right, this thing is, see again, touchable opacity. What the hell is this, bro? What even is this, dude? A wrapper for making views respond to touches. So on press, the opacity is decreased, dimming it. Press here. What the hell is, okay. So it's basically just a view, but touchable opacity. Alright, sure. Makes sense. Then we don't, I mean, then we'll just write it ourselves. This is already right here, kind of. I don't want to touch this code. I'm just gonna vibe code this. Alright, I mean, this is right here. On press is equal to handle. My headphone wires suck. The boring part of the playlist has arrived. Alright, next. Where the hell are we? Create account. Isn't this supposed to show up here, dude? Hello, bro. Okay. Okay, I guess they styled it. Okay, bro. And I didn't use it. Okay. Makes sense. Style. I don't know, light blue. Is there a light blue? Ugh. Why the hell is... Okay. Fine. Let's just do... How about this? Let's do a text. So there's no status here, but okay, so this is state management again. So set state. Handle submit. Click confirmed. Okay, so submit confirmed. Oh, I should just call this state. Yeah, okay, so a very quick indication that yay. We can actually do this. Blah blah blah. We could do this just for shits and giggles. Email. I don't want to put out passwords, but email at email. Yeah. So pretty easy stuff. Not bad. Alright, and how are the links working here? So basically we need to add, so if they have an account, they can go somewhere else. So okay, we understand buttons, so we can, okay, we don't need to ask ChatGPT everything. Let's do this here. So so status should be at the bottom, text, on press is equal to navigate. So navigate, okay, there's something navigator dot, okay, I'm just gonna keep this here. Already have an account, sign in here. And also, is there any, like, you know, what is this style? Yeah, let's do some padding, because this is disgusting, dude. What is this? Border width 1, padding 10, margin bottom. Why the hell is this in a box? Take out the border width. That might be it. Okay. Okay. Haha, okay. And cool. Navigate to sign in page. Fix please. Use navigation. So yeah, vibe coding isn't as vibe coding as it is. If you ask to create a whole ass app, it'll be like, I mean, Replit and something might help, but if you want to create something for production, which people can use immediately, it's just a lot of, there are a lot of like small errors and issues that we don't see often. So, okay, wait, do we have navigation? We don't. We need it. Got it. And what's the code for, yeah, navigator.navigate navigate. Oh, navigation. That's what they named it. Rip Mac Miller. Okay. It's still an issue. Okay, this is still an issue apparently. What's the error? Type never. What the hell? Sign in is right here. Create stack navigator. Yes, I am. That's done. Explicitly type the navigation prop. Okay. To wrap everything inside app. First thing that they said was move navigation container to okay. Would the status bar be here too? Yeah, I think so. Let's keep that. So it mentioned two problems. Yeah. Oh no, status bar is outside. I don't even know what this is. Okay, we'll look it up. Style, blah blah blah. Alright. So navigation container is fine. Okay, what did they do for main tabs? Okay, tab navigator. This is all they. Okay, I have prettier configured on my laptop, but my laptop doesn't have a ton of space for emulators and all of this stuff. It's annoying. Kind of wish I could have. Alright, so auth stack and these two should be fine now. Is authenticated false stack. We have done this. Create stack navigator. Auth stack prime list. Yes. Sign in undefined. Create account undefined. Okay. What's the error here? Move navigation. Yes, we did that. Stack navigator. Is this correct? Yeah, this is stack navigator. This is tab navigator. Ensure. Nav prop not available, blah blah blah. But create account doesn't have access to default. In the Stack Navigator, each screen gets automatically injected with. If you're not using the fix, instead of passing use navigation, okay. In create account, I have to use navigation. Didn't I do that? Yeah, we did. No? I have used navigation. I do have it. Visible. Okay, wait. I'm getting a call. Is my stream dying? Yes, okay, I will call later. Alright, let's see if this thing breaks. Pause. Okay, let's see if this thing is back on. Should look at the stream first. Okay, great. The stream is still live. Perfect. Okay, now we've done that, and streams, okay, work that way. Next. You've already implemented use a navigation, but not configured properly, set up. Didn't we do this? Okay. Sign in. Sign in is a correct page, right? Pages, authentication, sign in, yes. Create account, yeah. Sign in. Okay, let's just see if our normal page opens up when we say authenticated is true, just to make sure. Yeah, okay. So now let's move it. Where's this thing? Look at that. Okay. Oh, it worked. Okay. Okay, very nice. Okay, we just need a button which can navigate back to the create account page in case they made a mistake. All right, I'm gonna just copy these two. Wait, where's submit? Okay, wait, so we don't need the middle part, but let's just copy everything. We're in sign in now. We don't need this. State and this thing, right? Okay, I'm sure we'll need navigation too, so we'll just keep all of this together. So clearly, I mean, okay, this works. It's just VS Code that's messing about. So this to this, copy. I'm pretty sure we did, but let's do it again. Sign in. Okay. Click fix. Okay. All right. Looking good. All right, let's quickly do back button, which is what is this called? To go back to create account. Oh, I forgot to mention that it should be on like the top left, but let's see if Jupyter helps with that. I don't think it did. This looks very much okay. Handle back is just yeah, this should be wait, where is oh, it's in create account. There's something which is oh, wait, this is already text. This is a text. The hell is not a text? Text strings must be rendered within a text. Which one though? I have to go through this one by one. Text input, submit, text, this is text. Oof. Whatever. This is gonna be like some position stuff. Style the button to be the top left. Yeah, absolute. Okay. Okay, it's far too back, I guess. Top 50. Let's do. Yeah, is this clickable at least? So for this device, for my test device, it was too high up, so I changed it to top to 50, 60. Is there a way to standardize it without the pixels part? Relative positioning, yes, that's what I was talking about. Figured it out, great. Alright, let's see if this works. And we can change the point, whatever. Nope. But okay. Dimensions, quick fix, update, there we go. Top is back button top. All right, let's see. Okay, this seems good enough actually. Okay. So the front end at least looks good, and whatever we put into submit should work. So we can test it out again, but sign in should be pretty much the same. If I enter like email or something, submit confirmed email. In sign in, is there a state? Handle state, set state. Oh. So wait, I need to change this. Email at email. It looked weird, so I was like, what? Yeah, there we go. So the password should be fine. Fine, we'll do it for this once. Never put your password as 1234. But when you're on an emulator and you're just testing it out, it's fine. All right, things to do next. So yeah, the front end works. That took some time, but this is looking workable at least, right? It's workable. In a functioning app, you need this. It works. Next, next would be to do the Firebase stuff, which would be so basically we connect from we would connect from the front end to Firebase, which is our database. It'll send like a token back which says, hey, your sign in was complete, or it's not, try again. And then once it's complete, it'll send like a authenticated user. So that element will be your authenticated user. You can share it around in the app. And then once and then if so is authenticated would be true, then you would say, okay, this is your email, you would go here, all of that stuff. I need to go and take a small break, get some water. Yeah, let's do this, because this is the stuff we have done in the last, this is our progress so far. Be right back in 5. Let's do okay. snack. Okay, this is both red, but it works. So VS Code being annoying. Alright, which is more important, Redux or Firebase? Or the pages? They're all kind of important. And now it's gonna be the tutorial part. Like, if you think this wasn't tutorial stuff, now I'm gonna be like straight up just because okay, so we have the slicers. We can start with Firebase. So Firebase would be is this it? I thought there was another one, right? So, okay, React Native Firebase is this thing, which is for analytics and all of that stuff. I thought we were using JS SDK, so let's look at this. Although we're using where is the link for? Okay, I've done this. Create a Firebase app and register your app. This is done. So firebase config.ts, this file has all of the information related to this app. So anytime anybody creates an account, it'll jump to my database rather than someone else's. We've done this. Create, register is done. Install the SDK and initialize Firebase. npm I Firebase. I think we did this too, but we can do it again. Copy. Why is it always 989 packages? The hell? So the wire for this headphone sucks. Let's turn it off. Who cares? Okay, I can put Spotify up here. It's no problem actually. So we have npm I done. What's the next step? Firebase. initialize Firebase. Right, we have this. Okay, for about 5 minutes, I'm going to make the stream this, just because we do need to work with the Firebase config, and we don't. Oh, I think I already did this. Blah 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 blah. Initialize app, Firebase config. Yeah. Okay. Access in your app. Initialize app. Get Firestore. Are available to import within individual sub packages. Okay, so so we did import initialize app from Firebase app, import get Firestore, collection get docs from import. Okay, const db is equal to get Firestore db. And then they have async functions get city. So we need authentication for web, and we need Cloud Firestore. Is that what we're using? Real-time database? No. What am I using for tutorial view? Firebase Firestore, Swift. So I guess Cloud Firestore for web. Cloud functions, cloud storage. I don't think it's storage as much as Firestore. Remote config. These are the only two we are using. So, okay. So, okay. First, let's get auth. Firebase auth. All right, don't we have to export get auth, right? Initialize app. You have get Firestore app. Okay. I think we're almost done with the Firebase config app. Let me just go to app and import what is this called? Import get auth. Import db auth. Is it pages from Firebase config? All right, I think we're good to go. We can. So we have import db, auth from Firebase config. And we have sign up new users. Right. So everything here is done in Firebase config. And here we have import db, auth from Firebase config. Let's do create account first. We don't need db as much as we need auth. I think const auth is equal to get auth. Yes, this is what we have. All right, so we don't need to do this as much as before we set the state, we need to do handle Firebase. All right, let's add the import. All right, there's one more function here. Yes, sign in with email and password. Is there a I think at some point I need to do this too, because I never do this part. I should just do this. Make it easier for any user to just sign in with Google, Facebook. Should we at least look into it? I've never done this part. So Firebase SDK. Firebase is added. Open the auth section. Oh man, this stuff needs to be all right, let me just do this here. Open the auth section. Where is this project overview? Not project settings, Firebase, auth. Add new provider, I guess. No? At Google, you must provide SHA-1 release fingerprint for each app. Go to project settings. What the hell is this? Web client ID and secret. Update this if you want to reuse a web client ID from an existing Google project. Save client IDs from external projects. Enable. Alright, before we jump into the deep end with this, Web SDK. I think we should leave this for... I should do this later. I don't think doing this right now is... Because there's a lot of stuff I still need to build. Let's do this. Okay, let's skip this. Create user with email and password. Also, user credential.user. So this is what needs to be saved in Redux. Let me just oh my god. Sure. Okay, let's try this. Let's create an account. There should be an error now. So okay, first Command Q as usual. iOS. At some point we need to try Android too, just because we need to make sure. So we've done the code for create account. All right, let's create it with an email that I have. All right. Did we catch anything? Well, nothing got printed out. So async storage for what? This is just the Redux part, right? React Native app. irrelevant, right? More about ensuring the auth state persists between app sessions. If you're focusing on integrating now, okay, yeah. No. All right. I can't sit with my legs up. It's annoying. The camera, apparently. Too much movement. Alright, wait, but we clearly didn't see the error message. The hell? User dot email. Alright, let's put some random. Haha, okay, yes. There we go. Error is clearly here. Yes, I have an account. Let's go to here. Not now, bro. That's the wrong password. Whoa. Okay. Alright, let's just put 10 ones and let's see what happens. What do you mean submit confirm? That's the wrong password, bro. Hello? Oh wait, I didn't implement this function. Never mind. Or did I? Oh, okay. Yeah, I didn't. Okay. So this actually we don't do here. Okay, let's copy the whole shebang. Okay, let's just copy their solution. Sign in with. So clearly, I mean, vibe coding is kind of easier if you use Firebase. It's just annoying if you have to like build every small detail. Isn't this supposed to be async? For auth from Firebase config. Do we need auth here? Okay, we do apparently. What if we just remove auth? Three arguments needed. just use it. Set state. User dot display name email. Is this it? Yeah, I think this is it. Man, I have to keep pressing, bro. What? Alright, let's do... Okay. Man, my password is too long, dude. The fuck? Alright, let's leave this. I think I'm just going to trust that it works. I don't have any extra emails to create accounts with, and yeah. Let's say that it's correct. Now, Firebase should be correct. Now we need to set password to Redux. Not password, the user whatever element. So this element const user is equal to user credential. Alright, I need to store user credential. Alright, I mean, do you spend 5 minutes doing it? Progress state. Let's see what this, I mean, yeah, it's wasted time. I could just be, I need to store user credential in Redux. This is my code for create account and Redux currently. Redux slice to store user credential. This is user slice. The whole user. Or do you recommend? Okay, this begs the question, is Redux not safe? What the hell is this, bro? Storing user credential from Firebase with Redux. Recommended or not? security wise. Bro, not that. Come on, man. Understand what I'm saying. Okay, I'm just gonna open a new one. User credential. After token, after signing in with email plus password with Firebase React Native. Can be convenient, but it's not recommended. Redux is not encrypted. This is what I thought. I am using Expo, but I don't want to use that. React Native keychain. Okay, so either I can encrypt it and decrypt it every time we switch pages, or encrypt, decrypt every time we switch pages, or just use whatever the hell, what is it? React. How difficult to implement is keychain? This is terrible English, but who cares? You don't need to manually encrypt every time if you're using... Brother, that's not what I'm asking. Okay. Use... Okay, wait. Okay. Stores your credential in secure storage, which is encrypted, and you won't have to worry about manually encrypting it. Okay, this seems like it's not bad. Okay, we figured it out right now that it's better to do this thing than... I'm pretty sure... Yeah, okay. I need to take a 2-minute break. Be right back. Let's just do it. Let's not mess about. What the hell is this? CD, iOS, and pod. I don't have an iOS page. Is it within? Is it just with? Okay, wait. So apparently Expo is. Okay. Let's just say do copy this, and then let's say using Expo, it'll hopefully give the same answer. What's the Expo alternative to? So will I be able to use Expo store even when publishing to the iOS and Android? All right, great. great. Keychain versus encryption. Alright, so we did not this. Expo install. Expo secure storage. Also, wait, I had a quick question. This should be... Shouldn't create user with email and be async. How does that work? It's working fine right now. In a promise-based manner, the dot then handle the asynchronous. Yeah, I'm used to putting like the async whatever. So okay. Even though you're not explicitly marking as async, okay. Yeah, async this, try, and then catch. I'll actually do that. I like that method. Handle submit. Async. Is there a space? Yeah, you can put that in. Try. Const user is equal to, okay. Oh, this should be, oh wait. Try catch. What type is error? Wait, okay, it's imported. Then what's the error? Okay, got it. They just did error, and then they asserted that this is okay. equal to assert. Is it assert? Okay. Firebase error. Let const, okay. Let versus const versus var. Let's do TypeScript. Okay. Difference var is old school Java script, function scoped, block scoped. Var can show up anywhere. Let is block scoped within the nearest block. Const is also block scoped. Cannot be updated. Okay. Let's do this real quick with this. Man, I want prettier. I have prettier, dude. What the fuck? Nope. I don't need to go to the definition. I just need this. Okay, so this little side chapter has been completed. Keychain. How long have you been streaming? I've been streaming for 2 hours and 15 minutes. Should we take a break? This is my other account. See, this is the, again, this is the problem with, No, okay, wait, never mind. I need to. Oh no, it's with my other account, dude. Wait. Let me just do this. Alright, vamos. Let's do some puzzles. Needs to shut up. Okay. What's the point here? If I push here. We can move this. If we go here, we could just check him. Okay. Okay, queen. No. Obviously, we would do this. Then this would happen, right? This has to be the first step. What's the next step? This? No. This? This? No. Oh, I can check with the queen, obviously. That's what you're gonna ask. Got it. We can check with the queen. I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay. What's the next piece of leverage here? What do I move this here? No, the other queen will kill me. I don't know how to end this. Oh, I need to... Oh, you just wanted to make them... Okay, it's a... Man, this is so much thinking, dude. What? Also, it's sacrilegious to not use a mouse for this, dude. What is this? Trackpad warriors out here. Okay. Oh, wow. The back rank. So we're blocking this off. Do I check? Okay. I could also check with the queen. I could check with this. Hmm. Okay. I think let's play a game. Okay, let's play the Ruy Lopez if they allow it. Whatever, we'll still play it. You're gonna try and, you know, make it annoying for me, right? You're gonna... Oh, you didn't push it fully. That's fine. You're pushing king side. We push the center now. This is the weird, you know, gambits that people do. They just want to push their pawns for no reason. So I don't want to block my pawn from my queen. That's happened too many times. It's annoying. Okay, whatever. Alright, bro. Good job. Oh, this guy's an idiot. This is right here, dude. Oh no, I'm an idiot. Shit. My horse. Their horse can kill my thing. Oh, I trolled. Yes! The lifeline is there, people. Okay, is there any other threat here? No, it's a checkmate. Yeah. Yes! Okay, wait. That was a complete blunder, but... This was a blunder, bro. Okay, these two are blunders for some reason. Okay, losing material that way, that's fine. Oh wow, wait, they were threatening my rook with that. I didn't see that. Look at this big blunder, dude. He didn't notice it. So, GG. Let's get some good music going and then... They keep changing the Spotify playlist, dude. It's so sad. I had a particular order. Okay. Vibe coding is tiring. Alright, let's start with this. Since this is the biggest thing, let's do this. Handle submit. So username and password. Why would we do that? Alright, I just want to see what the hell else is in .user. Display name, email, ID token, metadata. We're not doing anonymous functions. Email verify. How do we get... Okay, email is needed. We could do display name too, actually. Just because that's a good thing to have, no? Display name, email verified. This is actually an important thing, actually. But UID is needed. Man, I need some. It is anonymous metadata. Phone number, photo URL, provider data, provider ID, refresh token. We're not even storing phone numbers. Photo URL, we're not doing that. I think this is it. So these four we need. All right, let's. UID. There ain't no password we're trying to store. UID is like a string. Why the hell would it be null? How about this? A user credential user dot. Really? This shouldn't be null. Dude, email is not null. Come on, the fuck? Alright, whatever, fine. I thought there would be some cleaner way to do it. Excuse me. Okay, display name. Okay, let's keep this out. I didn't do display name because currently there's no display name feature in my current app. So all the accounts that have created display names don't have one. So we can do that actually. Sure. Handle submit. I mean, this shouldn't change anything, actually, now that I think about it. Man, streaming is difficult. Just sitting here is annoying for so long. Okay, I think I will turn in for the day. I'm kind of tired. And I think I can. So, right now, currently in total, let me check how long we've been streaming. Because if we look at the actual code time that we've been coding, it's like. Let me see. We're at 2 hours and 42 minutes, and it's 11 p.m. So I'm kind of dead. I'm going to play some games and go to sleep. But we still have 21 hours of a day to complete an app. That's a lot of time, and I can stream this later. So I think that's what we'll do. Yeah, I think we'll leave it here. So, in summary for today, what we have accomplished today, we have accomplished the sign-in. Let me show us real quick what we have accomplished today. So we have created this, create account, all of this. I think let me actually input in my real password for my real account, just because I want to see it actually work. Wait, let me see if password isn't shown. So otherwise we'll have to change the password. But sign in. What is the state going to show? Submit confirmed. Yeah, okay. So okay, let me just put an obviously wrong password real quick. Yeah, Firebase error. So luckily Firebase has a lot of these kind of built in, but now Oh no. Man, okay, wait. I have a very complex password for my Maybe my password is wrong. All right. Okay. So I'm not gonna waste the end time with this. This is just something. But okay. So we have to create account. This is a usable UI for now. Sign in. It should theoretically work. I'll test it out later. And let's go to. So this stuff is pretty much the same for now, but we have made some head start with with Firebase in terms of creating account, and now we work to save everything in where the hell is state in our slicers. So we'll probably start adding slicers tomorrow, like basically Redux. I mean, they said to not use Redux. So how would we save state? And how would we use Redux for that? Or do we even need Redux for that? Because, okay. Yeah. But, this is our current stuff. Yeah, and... Yeah, we're going to be continuing to do this. If you want to see more, like, share, subscribe, all of that stuff. Comment down if you have any questions or all of that stuff. So we'll continue this stuff later on. Have a great